Welcome to DevTech Minds. This is the ninth video of 30 days of Pandas and we are solving patient with a condition. So let's read the problem statement. We have a patients table containing 3 columns: patient ID, patient name and conditions. Now patient ID is the primary key. So let's read the question now. Write a solution to find patient ID, patient name and condition of the patient who have a type 1 diabetes. The type 1 diabetes always starts with DIAB1 as a prefix. So once again we'll have to use the regular expression which we have used in the previous video as well. Now we need to return it in any order. So let's have a look at this sample output. So we got conditions like this, that, okay, so it does not always start with DIAB1. It can contain some things like this and then it can contain DIAB1. Okay, so both satisfies the given criteria. Let me read that once again. Type 1 diabetes always start with DIAB1 prefix, so that is condition is ACNE DIAB1. Okay, all right, we'll have a look at that. So what we can do is I can simply copy this and paste it here, and we need patients, so I'll copy the patient, and we need patient condition. We copy that. Now instead of using the str.match, I should use that str.contain because it is containing this DIAB1, so that should work. Contains, and then I use the regular expression. Now what contains will do, it will look for the given text that I give inside this regular expression within the condition. So if I give something like DIAB1, that is what we have to search, it will look for this DIAB1 inside this condition. But the problem is that it will look for this text even if they are separated by other text. Like for example, if I have D and then something and then IA and then something and then B and like this. So it contains all these words, but they are separated by other text, or they have in between, they have some other text in between. The contain will still return this output because these words are contained inside the text. So to solve this issue, we have to group this text as a one. How can we do that? We'll simply use \b. It will group the text. And now we can return it. So I'll use return. And I will return this find patients. I have to add a df here, otherwise it will return the function. So df. Let's execute it. Right, so it worked, and if I submit it, yeah, here we go. So you can see that we have solved the problem. So I hope you understand this. We simply have used contains and we have used grouping parameter to group this text as a one. And once we have grouped it, it is looking for this grouped text inside the conditions. And wherever it found it, it has returned it. So I hope you understand it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.